grub a dub dub, yum yum, all up in your tum.
Cook good and look good.
What's up? It's your girl Queen Jones, back live in the flesh, and thank you for returning back to my YouTube channel where I teach you how to cook good and look good. Yeah! Everybody knows a breakfast starts with some type of egg protein. In my eyes, okay? Unless you're vegan. We got some videos coming for you too, darling. Not a hater, I'm a motivator. Needless to say, when it comes to egg cookery, it's one of the most basic, easiest things to learn when you are starting off cooking or wanting to upgrade your breakfast routine. Y'all, 3 different styles of eggs today that I am going to teach you how to make. We have here a sunny side up egg, a fried egg, and a scramble. Y'all, we can make breakfast sandwiches after this. We can go ahead and have us a side for shrimp and grits ordeal, some rice, and put sunny side up egg in there, bust that yolk, and you know how we do. This is 3 different type of eggs that you should exactly listen to my directions about. You feel me? Thank you for all you returning watchers. I see you.
So this is a firm yolk fried egg, very specific type of egg. You're gonna start off with a medium range skillet. Then you're gonna make sure that hoe get hot. Add in your coconut oil, about a half a tablespoon. All right, let it get all up in there, melty. Yeah, coconut oil is like one of my favorite type of oils because you can use it in food and your body. So that's that cook good and look good content for you. You feel me? So after you spread the oil around, you're gonna get your egg and, you know, let's get to cracking. All right? Don't be scared. The shell come off here, baby. All right. Now you're gonna fry this egg for about 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, one side. Okay, you see how it's bubbling and it's gurgling? That's what you know makes a really crispy egg. Okay, like crispy egg, yes, honey, because it's a fried egg. Don't that look good? You see that golden brown on the edges, ladies and gentlemen? Don't hate, appreciate. Appreciate. If you hear stuff in the background, it's my sister talking to our dog. It's alright. We're gonna ignore it. So sizzle. Flip that for shizzle. Now you're gonna wait about a minute, because all you're doing is making sure you create like a nice little barrier for your yolk to start getting cooked and the whites to get cooked. Let it firm up. Now, if you want a firm yolk, go ahead and do it 1 minute to 2 minutes. Anything under a minute is gonna keep your yolk runny. But my sister don't play that, and that's who ate it afterwards. She was like, I need it firm, just like Law. All right, there you go. That is a fried egg for you. Firm yolk fried egg. Right here we had that sunny side up egg. You feel me? Always brighter. Now I did this off camera, but I added a half tablespoon of oil into my skillet. And again, my friend, we're gonna get and spread it around that skillet. Make sure that oil is distributed. Okay? You're gonna crack open another egg, right? Just another one. And for this, it's pretty similar to the fried egg method, but instead of the flippy dippy at the end, you just gonna leave it sunny, my friend. Straight up looking at you like a yellow eyeball. Go ahead and allow your whites to cook. This is gonna be at medium low because we don't want it to get too cooked up. You see that air bubble creating right there? That's an extenuation of the heat getting spread throughout the egg white. So because we want the yolk to be warm, and you know, who's the hell is eating cold yolk? We put that lid on top and let that heat distribute even better. You feel me? Because anybody eating no cold yolk. See, I'm going to touch it. I like to make sure, for sure, what it is, okay? Again, and again, just for the warm. We put that lid on there for about a minute and let it steam/sizzle. Then remove the lid and let it cook for another minute. And then remove it from the heat. Okay? I had to put that in that slow-mo for you so you know how we go for you. Okay? And it's a sunny day with a sunny egg. You see it in a skillet and you want some egg. Egg exactly is what I said. It's egg. Egg cookery. Alright, now we're going to make sure we can actually get it out the pan. True story, sunny side egg should be oiled up to the backs. So that way it can slide out just like that, baby. Add that. Get a grip drip, baby. For that sunny side egg, baby. You already know how we do this, baby. It's a sunny day. Alright, y'all. So we got that scrambled, okay? When you're in the scramble, make a scramble, you feel me? Now, we're going to ahead and do something a little bit different, okay? Gonna move the pans around the skillet. Crack 2 eggs open, right? You see how I did that, right? Add your seasoning, and that's about 2 to 3 teaspoons, okay? Because we liked ourselves real seasoned right on here, okay? Gonna whisk and make sure all that air is applied because we want that fluffy scramble, okay? None of that dough, watery, gushy, mushy shiitake, okay? Straight like so, just like that. Now, we add in our 1/2 tablespoon of coconut oil. And I love coconut oil again because it's multifaceted. It is the butter of the nuts. I don't care what nobody says. Add your eggs in and hear me out. Scrambled eggs ain't hard. All you gotta do is disrupt the egg just like so. Make sure you are evenly allowing the egg to respread, cooking in. And then, my friend, we're gonna turn off the heat, okay? It can cook in its own heat. Eggs can cook in their own heat. I don't give a fudge what nobody say. So you see how that happened? We agitated it again. Watch this next clip. Next clip you're gonna see it's a full fluffaduffy, you feel me? I did all that off camera because I wasn't using the eye, okay? I didn't have to use the eye. I didn't have to apply the eye because I was scrambling with no heat. No deceit, no heat. Scrambled eggs for you to eat. Yummy. Yummy. That's gonna be yummy, yummy. Grab a dub, baby.
There were 3 eggs. One was fried, one was sunny, and one was scrambled.
Alright, y'all. So that was three different types of eggs. We had here the lovely sunny side up, fried, and scrambled. Baby, it was easy as 1, 2, 3. Nobody would think that you would use 4 eggs to complete the
delicious, delectable breakfast edition
you can have. Yo, eggs be $5 to $7 for an 18-pack. Think about how much money you're actually spending going to Mickey D's, Dunkin', any place that you are picking up egg sandwiches. You can go ahead and buy a whole loaf, an egg and meat, or some other protein balance. However you like your egg sandwiches, whether it be cheese, bacon, sausage, or something simple as just the egg and the bread. You are saving money instead, and you already know your girl like to teach you how to cook it up and look up all on the low. 3 egg styles for you to put in your back pocket. You heard me? It's your girl Queemie Jones. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. I can't wait to give you more content just like this. We out. Bye! I give you exactly what you needed, baby. Yes, me. Queemie.
Now, who told y'all to take our struggle meal and turn it into something gourmet?
I don't know, but I'm happy.
2 packs of oodles and noodles. Yes,
Yo.
oodles and noodles, because we don't call it ramen where I'm from. We call it oodles and noodles, because if you ain't had nothing else to eat, bitch, you got some noodles.
Oh,
Chop
God.
onion up. I do not know about that. I don't eat onions in my noodles, but y'all did it, so I'm going to do it. Cut my sausages up, clean my shrimp, take the tail off. I use unsalted butter, put everything on the stove, let it cook. Put the onions in that.
Only thing I would do is use uncooked shrimp, because shrimp gonna be hard. That's just me, man. Do what you need to.
Complete seasoning. Wood, fire, garlic.
I just like shrimp.
Get me some nibblies out, cut them bitches up in half.
I'm a
put
shrimp
everything on the stove. Now I might as well make some motherfucking Kool-Aid, bitch. We taking it back.
Hell yeah.
If we gonna get ghetto with it, bitch, we gonna take it all the way back. Put everything in the
Period.
bowl, bitch. Mix it
Yummy.
up. Bone
Deliciosa.
pepper, yes.
Check 2, 2, 1, 2.